Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created these anti-Valentine's Day nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go, and the first color we're going to be starting out with is Madame Glam's Baby Pink, which is a nice baby pink. It is what it is. And I'm going to paint this on 3 of my nails, so my pinky, middle, and pointer finger. And the next shade we're going to take is Elegance's Meandering in Moscow. And if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know I absolutely love this shade. And I have to use it every year, like around January time. And I hadn't used it this year, so I thought I'd bring it into this anti-Valentine's Day set. So I'm going to paint this on my ring finger and my thumb. I go ahead and do a second coat of both of these colors, and then I do have to do a third coat of that baby pink since it is so light. And recently I've seen a lot of people do the little heart candies on nails, but they do anti-Valentine's Day versions, and they're so cute. I'll go ahead and put a few up here. And they have lots of different sayings, but I just wanted to do a simplified version of those. I didn't want to do it super colorful. I wanted to keep it pretty dark to keep it more of like an anti-Valentine's Day. So I just did a simplified version for myself. Next, I'm going to take Elegance's Very Berry, which is this beautiful pink holographic glitter. And I'm going to go ahead and paint this on my middle finger. I do a pretty thin coat. I want it almost covered, but I still want some of that baby pink poking through. Next, I take gel paints from Madame Glam, the purple and the black, and I mix them together on my palette. And I'm trying to create as close of a shade to Meandering in Moscow as possible. I just wanted a thinner version since I was going to do pretty fine lines. I could paint with the Light Elegance hard gels, but they are a much thicker consistency, so it was much easier to just mix together some actual gel paints to do this design. But I'm going to go ahead and create a bunch of hearts on my nails. And then I decided on a couple of sayings. I put no in a couple and bye in a couple. Again, I just wanted to do a simplified version. I know a lot of the other ones had like cuss words and some other fun sayings, but I just wanted to keep it pretty toned down for this one. And then I did do like a broken heart on one of them as well. And I do want to say it was very hard to write out the words. I did my heart so small, I didn't think about it. And I am taking my smallest brush, which is the detailer brush from Young Nails. This is the smallest brush I have. And even at that, it was kind of hard to write them. I have pretty narrow nails to begin with, so it's hard to like write anything out big. Next, I'm going to go ahead and top coat this design. I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And here's how they came out. I like this set because from afar they still look pretty like Valentine's-y, because we do have the soft baby pink and then the pink holographic sparkle. But then of course when you go up close and read the nails and see the broken heart and it says no and bye, it just gives it that subtle touch of an Anti-Valentine's, and then with that deep almost black purple gives it that dark side to it. So that's exactly what I was going for. I didn't want to do a full like Anti-Valentine's Day. I just wanted that subtle a little approach to it. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you are subscribed. I do have another Valentine's Day tutorial coming up soon. And thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.